Welcome back to Speed Society, where we dive deep into the world of high-performance machines and bring you the latest updates on the most iconic rides. Today, we're talking about a legend reborn, the 2025 Harley-Davidson V-Rod Destroyer. This isn't just another motorcycle, it's a statement, a fusion of raw power and cutting-edge design. If you've been waiting for Harley to push the boundaries of performance, this is it. Let's break down what makes the 2025 V-Rod Destroyer a game-changer, from its handling and comfort to its pricing and performance. The legacy of the V-Rod. The V-Rod has always been a standout in Harley-Davidson's lineup, known for its bold departure from traditional cruiser styling and its partnership with Porsche to create a high-revving, liquid-cooled engine. The Destroyer variant, first introduced as a drag racing beast, took that legacy to the extreme. Now, in 2025, Harley-Davidson has resurrected the Destroyer nameplate, blending its drag racing DNA with modern technology and street-legal performance. This isn't just a nod to the past, it's a leap into the future. Design, aggressive and unmistakable. The 2025 V-Rod Destroyer is a head-turner from every angle. Harley-Davidson has taken the muscular, aerodynamic design of the original V-Rod and amplified it with sharper lines, a more aggressive stance, and a futuristic aesthetic. The bike features a low-slung profile, a stretched fuel tank, and a minimalist tail section that screams speed. LED lighting, a sleek digital dash, and premium finishes give it a modern edge, while the exposed engine and dual exhaust system remind you of its raw power. This is a bike that looks as fast as it rides. Performance. Power redefined. At the heart of the 2025 V-Rod Destroyer is a reimagined Revolution engine. This liquid-cooled 1,250cc V-twin powerhouse delivers an astonishing 150-plus horsepower and 90 VFT of torque, making it the most powerful production engine Harley-Davidson has ever built. The bike is designed for acceleration, with a lightweight frame, drag-style handlebars, and a rear suspension setup optimized for straight-line speed. Whether you're tearing down the strip or dominating the highway, the Destroyer delivers relentless performance. Handling, precision meets power. While the V-Rod Destroyer is built for speed, Harley-Davidson hasn't overlooked handling. The bike features a redesigned chassis that balances rigidity and agility, allowing for precise cornering and stability at high speeds. The inverted front forks and adjustable rear suspension provide a firm yet responsive ride, ensuring you stay in control whether you're on the track or navigating twisty back roads. The low center of gravity and ergonomic design make it surprisingly nimble for a bike with this much power. Comfort. Built for the long haul. Despite its drag racing roots, the 2025 V-Rod Destroyer offers a level of comfort that makes it suitable for longer rides. The seat is sculpted for support, with just enough cushioning to keep you comfortable without sacrificing the aggressive riding position. The foot pegs and handlebars are positioned to reduce fatigue, and the vibration-damping technology in the frame ensures a smoother ride. While it's no touring bike, the Destroyer proves that performance and comfort can coexist. Technology. Modern meets muscle. Harley-Davidson has packed the 2025 V-Rod Destroyer with cutting-edge tech to match its performance. Ride modes allow you to tailor the bike's behavior to your riding style, while traction control and cornering ABS ensure you stay in control. The digital instrument cluster provides all the essential info at a glance, and smartphone connectivity keeps you linked to your ride. Despite its drag racing roots, the Destroyer is a thoroughly modern machine, designed to handle both the track and the street with ease. Pricing. What does it cost? Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Harley-Davidson V-Rod Destroyer comes with a premium price tag to match its premium performance. Starting at $24,999, it's positioned as a high-end offering in Harley's lineup. For that price, you're getting a bike that's not only a performance powerhouse but also a technological marvel. While it's certainly an investment, the Destroyer is aimed at riders who demand the best, whether that's on the drag strip or the open road. Conclusion. The ultimate statement. The 2025 Harley-Davidson V-Rod Destroyer is more than just a motorcycle. It's a declaration of intent. It proves that Harley-Davidson can honor its heritage while embracing the future, delivering a bike that's as thrilling to ride as it is to look at. With its unmatched power, precise handling, surprising comfort, and a starting price of $24,999, the Destroyer is a premium offering for those who refuse to compromise. Thanks for tuning in to Speed Society. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the world's most exciting rides. Until next time, keep chasing the horizon.